Right now we are at the test wall at Panda Window and Door in Las Vegas, and behind me they're actually putting up a door that they are about to assemble right on this wall and then test to make sure everything is just like it should be before it goes out to someone's home or a commercial project. So let's watch all this happen. All right, they're getting ready to install the doors here on this test wall. They are all right here lined up, ready to go, so they're about to make this happen. We're testing this entire door here at Panda Window and Door to see if everything is up to spec. They don't let anything leave this warehouse without making sure that it's perfect.
This is our lift and slide door from our PandaSelect line. It has 6 panels by part. Each of the panels weighs 375 pounds. We have our drainage track over here, which allows all the water to drain out into the ground, essentially, and not even make it over the threshold into your house, your commercial space. Our profiles here are thermally broken. The unit is 9.8 feet tall and 29 feet wide.
And this thing is fully motorized, so it opens motor on both sides and it's coming into the center closing, never have to touch it. And it's real plug and play, which is amazing because you don't have to get a bunch of electricians out to wire this thing. You've done all the hard work already. Okay,
Correct.
wow.